So this last item that we just talked about actually brings us to another point. Now, a lot of times students see that loan and they think, well, loans fall in the financing category. But US accounting rules says that the interest paid on bank loans should be classified as operating. Okay, I call that one of the three foolers, meaning you think it should go in one category to find out that the rules that govern the industry have it going in another. The other two foolers are as follows. Okay, so we just saw the example of interest paid on debt, and there's the rationale of why it is. The other two are interest received on investments and dividends received. So again, you see dividends and you might think financing. You see interest on investments and you think investments, right? But our US rules say that the interest or the dividends on any investments should all be considered operating activities. Now, the one thing that is a little different is if there are any dividends that we pay on our own stock, just as we saw in that last example. Dividends paid is financing, okay? Only dividends we received are considered operating, okay? So maybe download or have those in your notes because they can frequently confuse students. So if there's interest paid, interest received, or dividends received, all of those are considered operating activities.